Just got this in. I'm going to use this to replace. I currently use for my GoPro Karma, the bag that it came in, the thin bag. But I find myself sometimes looking for another bag to bring stuff with me, extra batteries, different things. And I thought it'd be nice to get this bag and put everything in there. So when I'm going out to fly, I could just put everything in there. Sort of like a piece of luggage bag, but smaller. So this is the bag itself. It's a nice looking bag. And I think I got a good price for it. It'll be down below. Okay, so it's got numerous pockets. It's got a handle on top. It's got a luggage pulling thing, whatever that contraption is called. You can actually take it out, I believe. It comes out of there. These are the wheels it's on. It's got a handle on top, which I'll probably end up using the most. But it's nice to have the other options. Another pocket here on the side. Feels real strong. Lots of pockets, lots of pockets. Put batteries in here and everything. It's deep enough. So let me see, pull this out. Clip this. Clip this and unclip this. Let me pull this back. Let's start right here. And it is huge inside. I think I'm going to be able to fit everything in there. It's great. It's got little compartments. Compartment here. This is supposed to be for video equipment, I believe. It's nice. It's got a nice size. Inside. It's pretty strong. Bunch of pockets, like I said, pockets on the side. Oh, it's even got zipper pockets up here. This is great for small screws and little mounts, so I can see what I have in there instead of having to dig everything out. All right, let me see if it works for what I want it for. And try to put everything in there. So far, so good. So far, I really, really like it. Okay, so what I have to do now is try to see if I could fit. I usually carry 2 backpacks with my Karma. This is the backpack that came with the Karma. I have 2 of them. So one of them carries, this one carries the batteries and the controller, my Trackamo, a USB light, a light that charges through USB, which I connect to the Karma, and the Karma itself in the middle. And this is all the tools I bring with me all the time, so that if I need anything, I'll have it. I also have charging, so I can charge the device in the car, the batteries and stuff like that. So I want to see if I can fit, instead of having two backpacks, flat backpacks that I like very much, and the Karma, and I want to see if I can fit it in there. It'll be easier for me to roll around and take around with me. It's got the wheels and everything. Alright, so let me put this all in there and see if it fits. You know, the batteries didn't fit well back here, so I ended up putting them in here. I rearranged the inside a little bit, so those are the batteries. Now I got all 6 in there, and I put the Karma sideways, and I still have some more room. Okay, I got everything in there. One's a tool bag and one's accessories. This one in here I have my eyeglasses and propellers and sun shield for the controller itself, the Karma, all the batteries, all 6 fit in there. Parts, arms, landing, other accessories, the trackable, the USB thing, my landing pad, some other accessories, wires, cables, microfiber, cleaners and stuff. I'm gonna put that in there. That's it. And I was able to put everything in here and empty out these 2 backpacks. These are things I don't need. I don't need this in there. This is actually no good. And these are just leftover parts. That's it. And I'm going to be able to wheel it around or carry it around. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.